Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever tried digging a hole to the other side of the world? Spoiler alert, you can't. But what if we could? To get to the center, we'd need a ship that can survive heat hotter than the surface of the sun. Let's hop in our imagination ship and dive down. Earth isn't just a solid rock. It's like a giant peach. It has a thin skin, a thick fleshy part, and a hard pit in the middle. First up, the crust. This is the hard, rocky skin we live on. It feels huge to us, but compared to the Earth, it's as thin as an apple peel. It's not the same everywhere. The crust is thickest under the mountains and thinnest under the deep blue oceans. Break through the crust and welcome to the mantle. This is the biggest layer, making up most of Earth's volume. It's super hot here. The rock is mostly solid, but because of the heat, it flows slowly like thick, gooey caramel. This flowing rock creates convection currents. These giant loops of moving rock are what push the continents around up on the surface. Deeper still, we've reached the outer core. It's so hot here that the rocks melt completely. It's a churning ocean of liquid iron and nickel. This spinning liquid metal acts like a giant generator. It creates Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from space radiation. Finally, the center of it all, the inner core. It's a dense ball of solid metal, mostly iron, suspended in the middle. It is incredibly hot down here, about as hot as the surface of the sun. But wait, if it's so hot, why isn't it liquid? Pressure. The weight of the entire world is crushing down on the center. It squeezes the atoms so hard they stay solid, even though they're burning hot. Since we can't visit, how do we know this? Scientists use earthquake waves. They scan the Earth like an X-ray to see the layers inside. The heat from the core moves the mantle, which moves the crust. It's a giant heat engine that keeps our planet alive and changing. Phew! Let's head back up to the cool, comfortable crust. It's nice to be home on the surface. So next time you walk outside, remember, you're standing on top of a thin shell, floating over a deep, fiery, and amazing world. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.